Your clients will be able to add as many homes as they would like to request bookings for. This is great for those clients who use temporary housing sites like Airbnb and HomeAway and need frequent cleans for multiple homes. It's also great for real estate agents. Here, public and private clients can book ASAP and request scheduled cleanings. When a public or private client chooses to schedule a clean, the next screen is a card with your company's details. If you added a cleaner and use your company logo, it will appear here. If you added a cleaner for a team leader, their picture will appear here. Public and private clients will be able to share your company with friends and also favorite it. Finally, after a booking has been accepted, they will receive push notifications when you communicate with them. And as you can see, it's very easy for your clients to manage cleanings for all of their properties.